Hey, coach. Want to know what brings in new coaching clients more than anything right now? It's trust, or more specifically, you being trustworthy. I'm Kendall, and trust is the new currency. And as someone who enjoys the highest ranking of trust in the coaching industry, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can start filling the trust deficit that exists in the coaching space and what it takes to create a surplus of trust with prospective and existing clients. And trust me, that surplus of trust you create will help you attract and retain greater numbers of premium clients. It's all here for you in this episode of the Money Coach School podcast. Let's dive in.
Welcome to the Money Coach School podcast. To really excel at coaching women, you have to be skilled, confident, and even fearless at money coaching. If you're passionate about women holding genuine money power and love supporting women entrepreneurs, then this is the show for you. Now here's your host, money feminist Kendall Summerhawk.
Hello, beautiful coach. We are diving in and talking about a topic that has been one of the most valuable assets I've used to grow my coaching business. We're talking about trust. In a world where trust is harder to earn than ever, mastering your coaching skills isn't just a nice to have, it's the key to attracting and retaining clients. So in this episode, we dive into why trust is the foundation of a thriving coaching business, how mastering your coaching skills creates an unbeatable bank of trust with current and new clients, and practical insights into deepening your experience and your expertise so clients feel safe, seen, and ready to invest. I also have a simple, powerful 10-minute coaching exercise for you to use to tap into what specifically makes you trustworthy. Because let's face it, potential clients are in a very, very different place today than they were even up to a year ago. So if you want to stand out, if you want to make a bigger impact, and you want to make money with integrity, this episode is a must listen. So first, I have to take issue with something I keep hearing my colleagues say. There are a lot of high-level coaches saying we're in a quote-unquote trust recession, but I detest that word. It's depressing, and I actually don't think it's accurate. I prefer to call it a trust deficit. Words have energy, and the energy of a deficit is very different than a recession. A deficit literally means too small of an amount of something compared to the amount that you desire. So a deficit is something you can make up for. You can make up a trust deficit, whereas the other word, it feels like it's something that just has to be endured until it ends, and nobody wants that. So the good news about a trust deficit is that it's something you have a surprising amount of control over, and I love that. People are skeptical for reasons like an uncertain economy, politics, being disappointed with other coaches or other coaching programs, and just a general uncertainty that is happening within the U.S. and happening worldwide because of the U.S. Now, while you can't change any of that, you can stand out as a beacon, someone who can be trusted and who is trustworthy. In today's coaching world, it is no longer enough to just be passionate or to have positive energy, and you just can't fake it anymore. Women clients are now more discerning than ever, and I think that's a great thing. They want results, and they want them quickly. They want to feel that they're in the hands of a coach who can truly help them transform, not just working with someone who's only winging it. And this is where your coaching skills come in. The better your skills, the more you will be trusted by your clients and prospective clients. Coaching is a skill, and when you hone it to a high level, a mastery level, it creates an experience for your clients that builds trust very, very quickly, which is key in a time when people are hesitant to invest in anything without feeling secure. And by the way, I don't think this is a phase we're going through. I think this is our new reality. So let me go through 4 things here. Number 1, why better coaching skills are your best asset in a trust deficit. So trust isn't just about what you say, it's about what you do in the coaching session. In a trust deficit, clients are looking for more than just empathy or listening skills. They need results. They want clarity. And most importantly, they need to feel like they're in the hands of an expert. That's you. You are an expert at your coaching. When you excel in your coaching craft, your clients don't have to guess whether you know what you're doing. They feel it, they trust you, and that trust leads to higher engagement, deeper transformation, and ultimately more revenue. Now, here's the reality. Women are now making up a staggering 70% of the coaching market, the coaching client market, and they expect a coach to bring her A game. Gone are the days when you could offer surface level coaching and expect to be paid premium fees or even paid at all. Women clients, especially women entrepreneurs, who I think are the greatest niche on the planet, want coaches who are exceptional, who understand the nuances of their challenges and can deliver results quickly and effectively. Number two, what happens when you don't hone your coaching skills? Well, if you're still relying on passive coaching techniques like asking, well, what do you want to work on today? Or simply listening without guiding the conversation towards tangible outcomes, you're going to lose clients. Clients expect far more now. And if you can't deliver that, you're going to be left behind. So if you've been struggling to keep your clients engaged, or if they're not seeing the transformation that they're expecting, it's time to look at your coaching skills. Are you truly offering high-level premium coaching, or are you letting the coaching session wander and you're winging it? Number three, building trust through results. In today's environment, clients want to see results quickly. They don't want to spend dozens of sessions hoping for change. They want measurable transformation, something that they can feel and see and experience. And this is where advanced coaching skills come into play. And when you're confident in your ability to create change in even just one session, you increase trust exponentially. Clients will see you as someone who is capable, someone they can rely on to lead them through their challenges and achieve real, lasting results. Number four, why it matters to you and your clients. So what does it mean for you to develop these skills? It means that you can, A, charge what you're worth. When you deliver exceptional coaching, you stop undervaluing what you're doing. You stop undervaluing your time. You become a premium coach, that $1 million coach, because clients know they're investing with someone who can support them in creating results. B, you create transformation quickly. You're going to be able to get to the heart of whatever the issue is with a client fast, which leads to quicker breakthroughs and happier clients. And by the way, this doesn't mean rushing. Nothing here is about rushing. It's about being efficient. It's about being so masterful that it's like slicing through butter with a really hot knife. C, boost your confidence and trust your intuition. As you master your coaching skills, you become more grounded and confident in your approach, knowing that no matter what your client brings to a session, you've got the skills to coach them through it. And D, you increase client longevity and referrals. Clients who experience profound change in just a few sessions or even in one session are much more likely to keep investing in coaching. And plus, they refer others. Premium level coaching equals repeat clients, which equals more money. All right, I promised you a simple, powerful 10-minute coaching exercise for you to tap into what specifically makes you trustworthy, and here it is. So grab your journal or open the Notes app on your phone and complete this sentence. I can be trusted too. I can be trusted too. And you want to fill in the rest of that sentence. I recommend completing it 15 times. 15. So for example, for me, here are 15 of mine, and I could have another 15 as well. But here you go. I can be trusted to always deliver more than is promised. I can be trusted to keep a client's secrets safe and protected. I can be trusted to tell the truth in a strong and supportive way. I can be trusted to not let a client get away with a negative or disempowering story ever. I can be trusted to be honest. I can be trusted to keep client confidentiality. I can be trusted to treat everyone with respect and dignity, no matter what their situation. I can be trusted to hold clear, firm boundaries. I can be trusted to care, even if it doesn't make money for me in the moment. I can be trusted to hold a client as powerful, no matter what. I can be trusted to see for a client what is possible for them that they can't always see for themselves. I can be trusted to be a leader even when the going is tough. I can be trusted to run a business that has a reputation for excellence. I can be trusted to find a solution. I can be trusted to create safety. Now, I've had recent clients come into my coaching container saying, Kendall, I really want to work with you, but I'm skeptical. I've been burned in other programs, but I know that you're trustworthy. I know I can trust you. And hearing that is the best proof ever that being trustworthy is not just something you say you are, it's integrated into how you coach and how you run your coaching business. It's who you are and it's how you are. You don't just say it. Your clients and your prospective clients see it and they feel it with every interaction with you. Now, why all of this is critical in today's coaching world is because women are no longer willing to trust just anyone with their time and their energy and their money, and really with their hopes and dreams. They need a coach who can demonstrate skill and empathy and the ability to help them reach their goals. And the more you focus on mastering your coaching skills, the more you're going to stand out in a crowded marketplace and the more trust you'll earn with your clients. Remember, this isn't just about marketing strategies. It's about building trust through your coaching expertise. When your coaching skills are sharp, trust follows. And that's what will create a sustainable, high-earning coaching business for you. So here's the thought I want to leave you with. Your skill as a coach is the foundation of your success as a coach. It's how you stand out, get results with clients, get referrals, and create that reputation for excellence. You started coaching to create transformation, not to second guess yourself in every session. And I have a game-changing masterclass for you that gives you the strategy that you need to deliver powerful, results-driven coaching in just 30-minute sessions every single time. So if you're tired of winging it and over-delivering or feeling unsure in your coaching sessions, this is a game-changing masterclass that gives you the proven framework to deliver high-impact, results-focused coaching sessions in just 30 minutes without overgiving, without losing focus, without feeling drained. And you can check it out at kendallsummerhawk.com/30. That's the number 30. Stands for 30 minutes. So check it out at kendallsummerhawk.com/30, or you can click on the link in the show notes below this episode. This is your moment to elevate your coaching and create more impact, create more new clients, and create more client referrals. And of course, all of that adds up to you making more money. So remember, money coaching changes lives, starting with yours. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your loyalty. I appreciate you so much for that. And I will see you here next week in our next episode. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's episode of the Money Coach School podcast. If you enjoyed this podcast, make sure you follow so you never miss an episode. Also, I would so love and appreciate if you would leave a 5-star review. Your review supports women just like you in discovering all of the juicy tips and insights I'm sharing here on how to coach women on money. And if you want to learn how to excel at coaching women on money, definitely go to kendallsummerhawk.com and check out the wealth of money coach trainings that we have for you. Thanks so much for being part of this money coaching movement and for tuning into the show every week.